This year my mom wanted a little coffee table for Mother's Day. I had some maple on hand that I needed to get rid of, so I made a live edge maple table. I'm going to start my project by sharpening everything I'm going to use. Pretty much just a scrub plane, Stanley number 5, and then a chisel. Nothing too fancy. It's a good habit to get into, to sharpen everything before you start the project. That way you don't have to stop halfway through and sharpen things. Sharpen up to 1,000 grit, strop it, call it good. Now, I originally planned on using just hand tools for this project. I figured it would mean more to my mom, but I got frustrated pretty quickly and said, you know what, I have a planer, I'm going to use it. Now the planer did leave some snipe, like little indents on the ends of the board, as well as just surface imperfections. So I took out a majority of that with my Stanley number 5. And the orbital palm sander does a good job of smoothing everything out, but you do have to go back and hand sand everything. I went up to 220 grit. That just gets the surface nice and clean. Use some hairpin table legs from Lowe's, like 10 bucks a piece, which is reasonable. Saves me a lot of time, and they're pretty sturdy. You just have to use your own hardware, because the stuff they give you is terrible. I use some Minwax 1-coat polyurethane. They say you only need 1 coat. I put 3 on. Seems decent. I like it. Dries well. I didn't have any issues with it. That's all we got. Thanks for watching.